Hi, I'm Tasha. I work in education. I'm a teacher. I'm a single adopter. And when I adopted my children, they were both under 4. I didn't have a picture at all. I'm coming into adoption from a completely different place to a lot of people. I just know there was a lot of children out there that needed a new family. So in terms of my daughter's additional learning needs, we're still in the process of finding out what they are. She definitely displays ASD tendencies, so it's remembering with her to talk. She takes everything literally, so to try and remember to drop my sarcasm and to prepare her for things. So we do a lot of work around preparing her using photos or using websites if we're going to places, photos of friends' houses through Facebook and things, which is something we did as part of the introductions anyway, so that her efforts can go into enjoying the activity or enjoying the whatever we're doing, rather than the hypervigilance or the stressing about the new. When we get there, hopefully it's not as such a new experience. My son's the complex one because his ADHD is quite pronounced. He's finally got a diagnosis. He had it at Christmas. We are waiting a paediatrician appointment. We're still at the end of that process. His behaviour means that I can't just leave him with people that are a handful of people that feel confident to deal with his behaviour and are confident to have him. I would never leave him in a party, for example. I'd always stay with him on a day-to-day basis. At home, being a single parent, I think works in our favour because there's not somebody else to play off. It's my rules, and I can enforce strict boundaries, and which he tends to thrive off. I think all my life I've been surrounded by children. I've got a much younger sister and cousins that I've been involved with. I've got godchildren. I work in education, so I'm used to children and being around them and all sorts of different needs that they have anyway. Patience is something that I had a lot of, but I've had to develop even more of, because obviously when you've got children with complex needs, or initially when you had all their triggers and things, you had to work with alongside them.